Good morning, LaSalle!
I'm Cole.
I'm Ava.
And I'm Luke.
We'll be your anchors this season.
Welcome to Season 10 of WLSA.
We hope you're all excited for a great year.
And we'll be here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning to start your day.
Our job is to keep you updated on what's going on at the A, so let's send it off to Dante, who's spearheading the sports segment.
Welcome to Sports. I'm Dante Iafredi, who will be your host all year long for sports around LaSalle. You want breaking news? We have it here at WLSA Sports. You want scores? We have it here as well. Want to know your favorite team of the week? We also have that here. Get a feature on your favorite teams and players. It's all here all year long. Our teams are already off to a hot start, and we cannot wait to get you guys filled in.
Thanks, guys. It's always great to see LaSalle Academy dominating the athletic scene. Now let's hear from Wesley, interviewing our brand new principal, Mr. Welsh.
Hi, I'm Gia Ossie, and I'm doing the Get to Know You segment. I'm interviewing Mr. Welsh, our new principal.
Sure. My name is Tim Welsh. I am the principal at LaSalle Academy. I am a graduate of LaSalle Academy, the class of 1993, and I am thrilled to be here back at LaSalle. LaSalle is such a special place. It's been a special place for me since I was 14 years old. The school is a lot different. Most importantly, the physical space. So when I was here, it was just this one building. It was just the main school building. The Brothers House was there as well, and we also held retreats there like we do today. But besides that, there was no other. The MAC wasn't in existence. The Shea Science Center wasn't in existence. The theater was our gymnasium. Those are the differences. The similarities are, the values, the core mission, the feeling when you step on campus is all very similar. I was fortunate to be able to play athletics while I was here. So I played soccer for 4 years, basketball for 4 years, and tennis for 4 years. I also was involved in other extracurriculars like Model UN and other activities like that. But primarily sports took up, because I played 3 sports, I didn't have too much time outside of those outside of practices and games to do other things. But I was here. I was here from September through June, every day, for something. I was pretty involved. Favorite colors? That's a good question. I guess I would say blue. I'm wearing a blue tie now. I would say blue, blue or pink. I like pink too, in terms of wear dress, ties or shirts or so on and so forth. But maybe blue. Most of the time it's spending time with my children. So I have 3 children. My son is 14. He's in 8th grade this year. And I have a daughter who is 12, who's in 7th grade, and another daughter who's 10, who's in 5th grade. So we're together a lot with my wife and the 3 kids. They're involved in a lot of activities between sports and their drama work or other things like that. So a lot of the time, I'm very fortunate to be able to spend time with them, watching them participate in whatever they're involved in. A final message for the community would just be, 1, how thrilled I am to be back, and 2, how lucky we all are to be part of this community. It really is a remarkable place. It's been a remarkable place for a long time, 150 years plus, and I'm just honored to be a small part of it moving forward. And as I said before, just to be with these last few months that I've been in my role, to meet and to be with students, faculty, staff, parents, it's been wonderful, and I just can't wait for the future. Thank you.
Thank you for having us, Mr. Welsh, and we'll see you later.
He sure sounds like a great guy. Now, before we say goodbye, let me fill you in on a few club meetings coming up soon. The LaSalle Book Club will be holding its first meeting after school on Tuesday in room 306. Voices Inc. will be hosting a meeting Monday from 2:30 to 3:30 in room G8. The LaSalle Academy Art Club will be hosting a meeting Thursday from 2:30 to 4 in room G8. A brief informational meeting for Model UN will be held Thursday at dismissal in room 201. There will be a meeting for LaSalle's student newspaper, Maroon and White, on Tuesday at 2:40 in room 311. Club Teeniers will be hosting their first club meeting of the year, Tuesday at 7:45 in room 312. And finally, the Diversity Committee will meet Thursday after school in room 212A. Thank you.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
From everyone here at WLSA.
Have a great day.
And a better tomorrow.